Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm Matt Wilson, this is CRD, and today is going to be a quick one. Right, so this isn't for me. This is a gift for a friend of mine. See, what happened was she was going through my Instagram profile, the CRD Instagram profile, and she found a post from the guys up at 877 Workshop. She absolutely loved what they were doing. She loved one particular product a lot. And then her boyfriend came up to me later and was just like, listen, dude, I'd love to order that. I was like, yeah, sure, no problem. DM Sylvia and Daniel up at 877 Workshop. And then, yeah, this arrived from the post. What I want to do today, I know this is going to be an unboxing for a gift for somebody else, but I just think it's very important to give credit where credit's due when some people do things exceptionally well. And 877, they do their products exceptionally well for sure. That's just a given. I mean, they're the guys that made up these signet rings for me and Daniel. And everything they do, they just do it to the highest possible level, including the way that they package the items and the experience that you get when you unpack something from 877. And I think it's just worth giving props to. And it's a nice way to start off a journey with something that's going to last you. Yeah, I mean, the 877 stuff is going to last you for the rest of your days, really. It's that good quality. So I wanted to give props to them, give a shout out to them for what I think is done extremely, extremely well. Okay, the best way I can describe an unboxing experience from 877. So this is I think the third piece that I've got from them. But it's tactility. And that's an extension of what their products are like. Their products are very tactile. They are very, you want to spend time with them. You want to interact with them. And it's the same way with this unboxing. Yeah, you get it in this generic paper envelope, but I think you have to for sending with DHL. But they've gone to the effort. Okay, I kind of tore it off here before deciding to make this video. Then I stopped. So really, it could be anything in here. Yeah, no, it's going to be the necklace. But anyway, it just starts off with like, I don't know what you even call these little like old-fashioned paperclip pins things. So they just fold back like that. I've not seen these since like primary school. And then in the envelope, you get this package with their own logo printed on this specific packing paper, which is just gorgeous. And again, this continues with the tactility of the whole experience. Again, with these pins, just open this up here. Now I'm being very careful with this because I'm going to have to repack this. So there we go. And then continued. You get a handwritten note. And yeah, this is just, it's a very, very sweet thing that they do here. Handwritten note is on a postcard that I believe these are original shots from the tools that they actually use in their workshop, which is absolutely lovely. You get this box, and I know that they print these boxes up themselves. I've seen the machine in their workshop for this as well. You get a sticker, a little checkered flag looking sticker, and then you get another couple of postcards from, I think it's their own personal pictures, maybe, I don't know, does it say? Not too sure about that, but the guys are definitely massive Porsche fans. They do a bunch of coasters, they do a coaster design in the shape of a Porsche wheel. Probably that one there. And then here, yeah, that's very vibing with 877 thing. Okay, right, then actually getting into the product itself. Now, this isn't going to be so much for a product review. As I said, this is just a little bit about the experience of unboxing. There we go, we've got some tissue paper, being careful again. Then inside here, you've got the product. Oh, come on. Okay, this is their dream catcher, which is enameled, I believe, and then their feather design. And yeah, it's just absolutely, it's gorgeous. But as I said, this isn't going to be really a product review. This is just, all I can say, the products are incredible. I've got several of them myself. Could not recommend them enough. And what I really just love about this is the whole experience of getting something from 877 Workshop. They just take it to a very, very special level, and I think that should be highlighted. And yeah, I know my friend is going to be extremely happy with this. I mean, this is something you have a lifetime. There's just no doubt about it. See, I told you this was going to be a quick one. I just thought it was very important to give credit where credit's due to people who are doing wonderful products, and for also they're taking the time to take it to that next level, which is something I very much appreciate. And I think it's very important when you're putting down your money for something to, from the very first moment that you get it, you feel connected with it. You feel that this thing was well thought through, well executed, and you just make more of a connection with things in that way. I mean, that's just like, that's why Apple, that's why Google puts so much effort into their unboxing experience. And I think that this works on every single level of purchase. Anyway guys, I'll put a link in the description down below to 877 Workshop's website. I mean, it's coming up for Christmas. Head over there, you're going to find some amazing things. I mean, not just jewellery, like a lot of different, really well thought out, nice products that are going to be the perfect gift for anybody in your life. Also down below, you're going to find links to our social media and all that other good stuff. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video and you haven't already, it'd be amazing if you could hit that subscribe button. It does help us out. It really helps us out. What also helps us out is giving us one of those thumbs up. That would be great. If you want to get informed next time we drop a video, there's that bell notification icon as well. I'm away to try and pack this stuff up. Well, not that stuff, that's a lens, but this stuff up as nicely as Sylvia or Daniel managed to pack it up. And guys, I hope everybody's out there, they're happy, they're healthy. I hope you're taking care of yourselves. I hope you're taking care of each other, and we'll see you in the next vlog.